welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some themed items to share with you today from FGNormal. They were kind enough to send me some Halloween-y type items. We don't particularly celebrate Halloween in a big way in this house. Occasionally we do. Megan likes to have Halloween parties and themed things for her birthday, which is the day after. But yeah, they sent me some fun stuff to share with you all. So we'll start with this one. I have had to sort of figure out which are the Halloween items. So I've cut them open, but I've not pulled anything out. But the first one is a set of Happy Halloween glasses, which you can, of course, you know, help to dress up for that trick or treating, or maybe just for a Halloween party. It is quite simply 2 colours. So it'd be quite simple for a little one to do for their own costume if they wish. But we have the orange sparkles and then what looks like standard 310 for the bat, apart from his eyes, of course. He needs to be able to see in the dark. And that does come with a toolkit, of course, boat, wax and pen. So that looks like a fun little project. And then the other 2 are more decor than to wear. Oh, that's come out the middle of a bee. I was like, where's that come from? But it's actually the centre of one of the bees. So you do get a toolkit with this one, boat, wax and pen. But this is a sign, so it's sort of on foam. It's quite dense foam, but it is a foam piece, so it's not going to hurt some child's head. But this one says Boo. It has 5 different colours. You do get your string so that you can tie a little knot to hang it up. And just so that we can see the colour, the proper Halloween colours. Nice, vivid colours. I like it. So we have black, but then we have orange, a really nice limey type green, bright purple and some silver, which is of course what will go on the ghosts. So you can create your own signs for your door. Let me get rid of the centre of that bee. We don't need that part, do we? So yeah, that is number 2. In fact, let's keep that one there because this next one is also decor, so it's not going to take up too much room. So there's a few different varieties, of course. This is another one. You do get a boat wax pen. Same sort of colours on this one, though there is a little bit more shading. So it looks like there's 6 colours on this one. We do have a couple of colours that go around the R, for example. And there's 2 colours that make up the C and the T. And then the little skulls do have a couple of colours in as well. Does also come with some strings, so there's little holes. Just pop that through and tie a knot, or maybe the other way. Tie a little knot in the back, and it is made of the same dense foam. Oh, so the extra colour in this one compared to the last one is red. So this also has some red in. So we have some bright red, then we have silver and black, and then that gorgeous green again, along with bright purple and bright orange. I think they're the brightest of those coloured rhinestones that I've seen yet. Megan is actually having a little party for her birthday, party / drinks, because she's at that age now. But I'm sure she'll have some fun maybe doing some of these to pop up and about. Maybe one of these on your front door to let the kids know that they are allowed to knock for trick or treat if that's what you like. Maybe if you have some little ones, you could dress them up in these along with their costume or a cape, and give them a little bit of sparkle while they're around the neighbourhood this year. I will pop links, of course, to these down below. There are a load of other Halloween items, so if you do celebrate, do check them out. Thank you to FGNormal for sending me these items to share with you all, as always, and I'll speak to you all again soon.